Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to another episode of Continental Connoisseur, where we bring you the finest culinary experiences from around the world. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking, and I'm excited to share with you some of my favorite recipes and cooking tips. First up, let's talk about the art of making the perfect omelet. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, there's always room for improvement. Here's a pro tip. When you're cooking your omelet, resist the urge to flip it too early. Instead, wait until the top is almost set, then gently slide your spatula underneath and flip it over. This way, you'll achieve that coveted golden brown finish without overcooking the egg. Now, let's move on to the art of grilling. Whether you're grilling steak, chicken, or fish, there's a simple trick to achieving that perfect char. When you're ready to flip your food, don't wait for it to release on its own. Instead, give it a gentle nudge with your spatula. This will help the food release from the grill, allowing you to flip it over without any hassle. Moving on to baking, here's a helpful tip for making the best cookies. When you're mixing your dough, be sure to incorporate air into it. This will help your cookies rise and achieve that perfect texture. Plus, it's a great way to make your cookies look extra professional. Now, let's talk about the importance of using the right ingredients. When it comes to making the best guacamole, you can't skimp on the avocados. I recommend using 3 ripe avocados for every batch, and don't forget to add a pinch of salt for that extra flavor. Finally, let's wrap up with a quick tip for making the best fried chicken. When you're coating your chicken, be sure to use a mixture of cornstarch and flour. This will help your chicken stay crispy and delicious, even after it's been sitting for a while. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the many cooking tips and tricks I've learned over the years. I hope you found them helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!